Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Here's what we learned in the last lesson. Here's what we'll cover in this lesson. Welcome to this tutorial on how I play the opening solo riffs to I Know a Little by Lynyrd Skynyrd. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. So let's start with the backing chords. Our first chord is a G6-9. It's formed by placing the first finger on the G string, 4th fret, the D string, 5th fret, the B string, 5th fret, and the high E string, 5th fret. And we're strumming that from the D string. Our next chord is a D9, like this. Now we're forming that D9 chord by placing a finger at the 4th fret on the D string and barring the G, B, and high E strings at fret 5, like that. And we're going to do that same thing here at fret 6, and that is an E9. So those are the chords. G, 3, 4. Now let's get into the riffs. Riff 1 sounds something like this. For that riff, we started at fret 8, and we're going to play it and pull off to fret 7, like that, and then we'll end up at fret 5. We'll do that on the high E and the B string. Then we'll go to the high E at fret 5, and then fret 8 on the B string, and bend it up like that. Here it is. Back to fret 5. Then we'll go to the G string at fret 8 and play this. So here's the entire thing. For riff 2, we'll play this. We We started that riff at fret 5 on the G string, hammering on the fret 6, to fret 5 on the B and high E, and then we're going to work our way down from fret 7 on the high E, one more time. Notice when we got to the G string, we did a bend and then went to the D string. For riff 3, we'll do this. In order to do that riff, we'll start here at fret 5 on the B string, and then we'll go to the high E and play fret 8 and pull off to fret 7 and end up at fret 5 on the high E. Back to where we started. So it's, we'll take that riff up the neck one fret at a time, like this. Here we go again. And then when we get up to fret 12, we'll do this. That was fret 12, fret 8, bending up, fret 10 on the B string, down to fret 7 on the B string, back to 10, and end up at fret 8 on the high E. So here's the entire thing. For riff number 4, we'll play this. We started that riff at fret 12. We're going to hit that high E string at fret 12, bend it up and mute it, like that, and come back down. Then we'll go to fret 10, back to 12, 10, 8 with a bend. Then we'll play, and that was fret 10 on the B string and fret 9 on the G string. Then we'll move down to position 5 here and play this. When I referred to position 5, I meant that my index finger is at fret 5. We'll start that riff at fret 8 on the G string, pulling off to fret 7, and we'll play this. So here's the entire thing. Here's Riff 5. We're going to start this riff at fret 5 on the G string, and we can slide into fret 6 like this, or we can hammer on, whichever one you prefer, and we'll play it this way. So that was hammering on to fret 6 or sliding into fret 6, going to fret 5 on the B string and 7, and then to 5 on the high E. We'll go back to the B string, 8, 7, 5, and then we'll move to the G string and play this. Once again, slowly. And the entire thing one more time. And for our last riff, we'll play this. So we started on the A string and we played fret 7 sliding to fret 9. Back to 7 on the D string, 9, 7 on the D string, the A string 9, back to 7, so that's. Then we'll go to the G string, fret 5, bend it up, fret 7 on the D string, 5, 7. So once again, now here's the entire thing played through. All right, my friends, that's how I play the opening riffs to I Know a Little by Lynyrd Skynyrd on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.
That was easy.